Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, western Logan County in northeastern Colorado, until 6:00 p.m. At 5:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Stoneham, or 23 miles west of Sterling, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include western Sterling, Stoneham, West Plains, Atwood, Logan Corners, North Sterling Reservoir, Pawnee Pass, and Willard. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm